What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up on yourself, my people. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, no. The attacking boss there, man. Long time the attacking boss comes up, boom, and show the people. You know what I mean? But we there. We're not going away. We're there, man. So, tell us something, people. A whole lot of things are going on, you know. A lot of things are going on. I say bad mind people, envious people, grudgeful people, you have to be careful of them, you know. Really and truly, you have to be careful of them. Especially some people you call friend in a life. You have to be careful of them. Because sometimes they say you and them a friend, you know. And you and them part together, you know. No joke about it, you know. You know, cling together, you know what I mean? You know roll together, you know, and just through the way them see you live, you know. You know what I mean? And just through them see you operate, you know. And you want certain things, you know. Them a smile with them, but you say deep inside them not with you, you know. Kill them, want to kill you. Done them want done, they want right you have, they want finish you. Real thing the attacking boss, I tell you. So now, my people, I'm going to talk about an incident, my viewers and subscribers, involving a Jamaican national. Zin? And another Jamaican national, because I tell my people, let's want to go foreign for better with life and make chances. And, yo, boy, I tell you, only just season, you know. Because you know, say, you know, a lot of man will get the chance to go abroad, my people. You see, some of them that make you side. Some of them waste them time over there. And so when you come now, and you do your thing and the way you operate and the way you roll and great things that come your way, them envy you, you know. Them friend you par with them people, but you see deep inside, I kill them, want to kill you and finish you. Real thing. So, you have a youth, you know, my people, over in Brooklyn, New York, where you know, we are talking about this thing we go on Saturday, you know. So Saturday, would that be what, November the 12th, 2022nd. So Saturday over Brooklyn, my people, police receive a call, 911 call, emergency. Say shot fire in our ear over the scene. Police circle over them, viewers and subscribers. And when them circle over there, them find a male unresponsive people and suffer with shatoon and them thing there. When them do a check my people and thing, him gone already, him done. Because him bleed out by the time them reach and thing, him bleed out. My people get shot over him, you know. When them do the checks now, them find out say he's a 34-year-old male, Jamaican national and thing, my people. You know what I mean? Gone. Left him family, gone left 6 youth. After investigation and check I met my people, guess who take him out and them a find out? A friend, you know. A youth who I'm linked, you know. A youth who I'm par with, you know. A youth who enroll it, you know, my people. But I want enemy one. I want them bad mind one day. Because them say now, the youth grudge him envy my people for something having up in their heart. And I look at thing go up now, we are look at argument develop my people. And I strap him rise and beat. So basically, I say like a 3 person did there, you know. You know what I mean? And he managed to catch this youth of my people. And him not make it him gone. I never fully get no information if police manage to hold him, but I know this is New York, I know this is America. And if you hear all of this information let out pertaining to the incident, you don't know so something going, something get cooked my people. Eh? But what me are telling my people, family of this youth are mourn right now. Family are cry out, family are ball out. So them cannot believe this youth are gone. Good youth, them say, you know. Real youth, you know. And them say the man, my people, living his life, take care of him 6 youth them because him you know he's a good daddy who look out for him youth them. And them say him should have gone in this way. You know? You know, yeah, we see signs here, we get warning from other people that tell us, yo, John, Peter, you see the youth that who you are linked with. And they want good youth, you know. Stay far from them, you know, because the youth, they're bad mind, you know. The youth, they're envy, you know, your enemy, you know. Not because you see him spar with you, not because you see him smile with you, you know. You know what I mean? Be careful of him. But you know I pray all of the good man. I say, no man, I'm a charge this him good man, him great man. Now watch nothing certain face man. You know what I mean? I do same role man, I will link. But you get the warning and you get the signs. And a real thing them I tell you. But because now you have followed that side of mindset there, you know. And you get caught up in that tricky mindset there, you know. In a yourself, you believe you're wrong, them I tell you about the right thing. And see that now my people. Gone lose him 3 points. Eh? So the man them have this thing now. You left yard for better. I don't know what age them left yard still, you know. But you left yard for better. If you go in our next man place over there, them call Uncle Sam. We now go envy each other same way. Me believe some people. when man get the chance to go friend, because yo, I better this not living yo. We now start angle money, you know. I opportunity this have goal, you know, one of a pay for the way, you know, and set a trend for yourself and the loved ones, you know. Eh? And imagine now go over there now, bad man, grudgeful, envy, want to kill off each other. Does it make sense? Eh? Does it make sense? We are man for prayer, understand, say. You take a next man life and next man I go take for you too. And take people close to you too. So why sense does it give for you I take out the bridge in 3 points? All because of grudgeful and envy. Eh? Because I want catty. Look pon the man, enough man a kill woman, you know, kill man, you know. Because of tuntun, you know. Think about it now. What is tuntun, my people? And this is how mankind for learn, yo. And this me I try to put that some people heads. You see, woman, enough woman even understand and know certain thing. Because when you stay as a man, you know, on a real level, you know. Now care the catty look good, you know, my people. And she nice and sweet, you know. Because when I'm mother go talk about, you have tuntun when you're good. I not this that woman, but a truth. You have some tuntun when you're good. So the care how she look good and she sweet. And if the tuntun stay certain way not good, now no grip night and now no glue night, a real man in go hold him. You get what I'm saying? So woman if you understand themselves. So when some man go mad over it and crazy over it, look here man, don't be a fool man. Stop be a fool and go listen to Munga song. You know mad over it? Eh? Because let them man an enemy some man for them thing ya. Because they say she carry the big something around about there so. Eh? Not because you say she carry the big something where Spice could do over so and fix up and she a carry it too. Don't grudge and envy a man for that way my walk with. Because when him go there on the other P and put the background there so and put that the part there and go do this so. Maybe a ocean 11, you know, me not disrespect nobody still, you know. And maybe one big old sinkhole around say, you know. You see it? But some man now pre-logics understand, say. Eh? So me tell people this and a woman must understand. You see yourself, that's the real woman. Your ambition, you get what me I say? Your ways, or you carry yourself, or you portray yourself to others. You get what I'm saying? And them they a real man look for. Woman who nice, tidy, clean. A real man not go look for some mongrel. Some skettle renky sitting around there so. No. Some of them even can't wash out the jaw scratch is good. A real thing. Real man not go look there so. See? So why I just got envy a man over certain thing? You mad? I'm gonna fight a brother over certain thing, yo. Me not depend that. Because if a woman don't respect him herself, how she gonna respect you? How she gonna respect you? One of the most hurtful things and worst thing a woman could have ever do. So she's still in her marriage. And so she go out there and fling herself all about the place. And one of the worst things, you live in a piece of sin like, you know what I mean? So people need to get themselves together. So back to the basic now and why the conversation drag out the center of the vlog, my people. Because a lot of these things, you know, sometimes you hear say them are envy and them are enemy and them are war and them vex with each other and them bad mind them feel host, feel care, feel land. But on a real level, you know, that's what you see. But the real bad man maybe I come from a tone between a leg. Get to the logics, man. Get into it. See? Most of the thing we have to go on and build up enemy with friends, you know. In a family, you know, it a come from woman. The name I do give them is the lamp pile. Because real woman, we don't consider that as a lamp pile, you know. So you know, so when I say lamp pile people, it attack them different type of woman there. Eh? Me love woman, me can't do without them. You know what? And them bring we come here, you know, with the almighty pause, you know. So we cannot do without them, but what I'm saying, and all of them, my people. Eh? Some of them don't deserve a man to fight over them or war over them. You mad? Deserve what? Because them don't know them worth. You know them talk about me beautiful, I'm pretty. And them fling on makeup there so. Fling it on you so. You know what I mean? Go all up so go fix the lips so. Go fling one sitting around there so. You understand? And go do certain thing and talk out this and talk out that. Listen me man. Oh man, let me tell you this sir. You see when me a hunter when me start searching one, me go tell you no. Now cure the belly big. You understand? Now cure your look If you have good ways, good ambition, and you're a real man, you know how to treat a man good. Welcome to the club of the attacking boss. See? So all I own at the list now, and you may carry the big something around, so. I have this or something around, so. Eh? Listen here. Make sure you can pass the test. When exam day come, can't cook, can't clean. I don't want to slave. I'm not slave because I can't do all of that to myself, you know. But a woman must know how to treat a man and care for a man. Eh? Not to come show and war with me and walk with me and par with me and let we go out together. And we say me have a girl a roll. You mad? What me approve? My life. So check it. Youth, looking on yourself. See? Looking on yourself. Because them don't know what go on, you know. They don't understand what go on. Big up on yourself, you know. They have to be a part of you for this thing. Because you don't know the thing about enough love and enough respect and enough blessings. And thanks to the love and the support, the like, the share and everything. Remember if you comment, my people. You know me, comment on the video them or like the video them. Share the video them over so. You see me? Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Like, big up to the new followers them on Twitter, same speed. I see the Twitter go up saying, so it's 1,000 followers. Big up to the whole IG followers them, same speed, will link up. Don't know, say a lot of people get the video them what we can't put to us right over there. Big up on yourself, same speed, you know? But just stay safe, my people, and do the right thing. Woman, I love you now. I know this none of you know. But you see lamp pile? You see lamp pile? Georgia sees, Georgia knows. Peace out, my people. Enough love, enough respect. Time change, you know. Time change.